Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to remove and replace rear tail light bulbs on a Jetta MK6 from 2011 probably all the way until 2015-16, guys. We'll show on the inside of the trunk lid and on the outside tail light. What do you need to do for these ones right here? You need to remove that cap. There is two nuts underneath with a 10mm socket. Go ahead, remove those. Okay, and you disconnect the cable after you remove it. Okay, we'll pull it to the outside now, and we're going to actually not even disconnect the cable. If you pull those two things right here, we'll show you in a little bit, those two, spread them like that. Those are the bulbs that will come out. So now if you have a bulb that's not working, guys, you just twist it to the left counterclockwise, okay, like that, and you replace them. Pretty simple, not complicated at all. This is for reverse light and one is for the tail lights on this. Okay, just like that. And when we're ready to install it, stay with us. We're gonna show you how to do this one as well if one of the bulbs there are not working. Okay, it locked good. We're going to get it in there. It goes from the inside, from the outside in, like that. Get the two nuts tight. Yeah, right there. One more. And we need to install the cap that we have there. And now for this light right here that we have, tail light, turn signal light, brake light, we'll need to remove that cap right there. Remove it like that. And now that plastic thing right there, I'm all the way in the trunk trying to show you guys. You need to twist it until you unscrew the whole thing. It takes a couple revolutions, but you will be able to get in. It's tight at first, then it gets loose. And it's kind of like a long plastic screw. That's what it looks like. Now you're ready to go ahead and pull the light out. It will be stuck a little bit. Maybe more than a little bit, never been removed before. Okay, let's see. Okay, it came out. Still holding a little bit there. And now we are going to disconnect the wires so we can show you all the bulbs and how to replace them. You need to press those things in, two of them, press them towards each other. At the same time, push it out. Okay, let me get the thing to show you again. Those two, you need to press them in like that. Now, let us show you about that light. In order to remove the bulbs, you will need to squeeze those things now in, this one here and the one there. But you need to help it a little bit with a screwdriver, okay, to jump right there until it gets loose. And those are the light bulbs, guys, right here. So now in order to remove and replace them, you turn, push in and turn counterclockwise. You get a new bulb, push in and turn clockwise. Okay, and this one is for brake and turn signal. The other one is just tail light and brake. Okay, right there. Pretty simple. You need to get it in the slots. It goes only one way. Turn towards the right this time. Now when you're ready to install them on the tail light, it goes only, again, everything is really directional, you cannot mess it up. Once it's lining up, you push in until it clicks. Okay, like that. We're gonna get the light in now. We're gonna install the wire, because otherwise you might not be able to get the wire later. And we're going to push it in. Make sure this one lines up there, that's the clip I was holding, like that. Get that plastic screw on the inside now. Get this one tight. and after that all you will need to do is install the little cap right there. And this will be the whole procedure, guys. Hopefully the video was helpful. Give us a like and please subscribe so you can help us grow that channel pretty big and help more people. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.